Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can migrate your dashboard data uh, to from Excel to Microsoft Access database, right? And so since both Microsoft Access is a part of Microsoft Office suite, and Microsoft has provided the connectivity functionalities within Excel that you can easily connect to any database at the backend, and you can use it. And mm, and Excel is very good for reporting, right? Picking the data from any database and reporting it into the Excel. That's the more logical and fascinating, attractive way of combining the two applications. I mean, I'm combining the other applications external to Excel, right? So. Uh, what we have done is that previously we had this sheet, and each time when you open the file, it used to start entering data into it, and then you had to double click on it to do some entries of the backlog clearance, and these are the totals. So, right now, these totals are now they are coming from the database. When you click OK and go here, yeah, when you click this Go button, so it goes to the database and attempts to enter the five. As many means here, since I have written five, so it will um, enter that on 4th of August, 5 days backlog was cleared, right? 5 days backlog means 5, 6 are 30 prayers, right? Because every day one has to pray. The mandatory ones are six, right? So 5 days means 30 prayers in a day, right? And when you start doing it in the beginning, when we are not doing it, it becomes very cumbersome, very difficult, and very hard to do. But when Allah makes the things very easy on the basis of your clear and honest intentions, and Allah support comes, then even five, you can even go to more than five, right? More than five. But five is a medium level. Means we should choose a figure which we can consistently perform, right? So 5 days prayers in a day is consistently possible for me. So that's why I use. Otherwise, you can use your own preference, right? And here we have a user tab, right? That user tab is taking from the setup, right? And here is the master user information which you may be requiring later on. Okay, so when you select uh, a user, so using the VLOOKUP, it gets the name, and it is now ready to perform the activity for the 4th of August. Today is 4th of August. Let's see what does it do if we click here. Right? So normally, uh, our practice is my practice is that I do not uh, do complete the job until this activity becomes yesterday. When the 4th of August becomes yesterday, then I do the enter. Today is the 4th of August, and I'm doing this. I will put a check so that that is not possible. But at the moment, it is possible, right? What it is going to do is, let's see. I click OK. So it's ready to add 5 records. It will instead of saying this, it would say, please, it's too early for you to do this. You have to wait until 5th of August, right? Okay, so okay, no problem. So it is ready for it. So we click yes. What does it do? So this is the breakpoint in which it is now uh, ready to add the records, to mark the records, right? And it is going to prepare a SQL. Yeah, let's see if I play. So the SQL is ready. Now it has performed this SQL command, the select perform date from the master where user is the selected user, and the performed is null, right? So this is how we have, yeah, this, yeah, null. And so you can use the debugger, or you can use the web watch, quick watch, yeah. So here you can click right click and go add watch. And this will take you that what is the value of SQL, right? So this is the value of SQL, and you can extend this. So this is the complete command, SQL command, the select, perform date, uh, perf and performed means yes or no, you have to, from the master. So these are the two fields are going to be selected with the condition where user is the selected user and is null, perform date, and the performed is equal to 0, right? So we have to focus so that it gets only those records which can be used to clear the backlog. Otherwise, those which have already been performed, like if you see, so these are the 4 fields in which it has, say, the P date, and P date is null, right? So if it is null, so it means we are targeting this one. Yeah, this function, and also at the same time the performed is not performed, right? So this is the reason. This is the set of record which is going to be marked, right? So now it is going to start marking, and the date, it put the date stamp and it will do its job. Let's click here and see. Yeah, it has done it. So if you see, the date stamps have been marked for the 5 days. These were the 5 days. And so don't worry about this code. It is a backend code for the date. It is actually date, right? It can be displayed as a date when we display it in the form, in the desired format, right? Okay. And the next is now we simply run it, so that we press F9 and we execute this. So the command is executed. Now you can see the figures are updated. The figures are updated, and it has done its job completely. Okay, that's it. So uh, so we will put a condition in it, so that only this activity of marking the clearance of the backlog should be performed not on today's date. For it should limit itself until the yesterday or before, but not on the sale, right? So that the post dated and current dated should not be done, because normally it takes time to this job. Means 30 prayers, 5, 6, or 30. So 30 prayers, it takes a whole day. So today is 4th of August. I have prayed 12 prayers until now. So I have to complete the 30 days. So that would be possible by tonight somewhere. Okay. So we have successfully not only migrated the data from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access, and the reporting is also ready in here. All we need to do is plot the graph. For plotting the graph, we just have to record such a macro that it selects all this and go to insert and go to the charts. Yeah, and go to the charts, and in the chart it takes the second 2 dimension, yeah, and it has, and then what it needs to do is show the labels. Yeah, so we will say that the add data labels or show the labels, right? Like that. So the data labels are ready. We say show the labels, add the data label in here, and add the data labels in here. So these are, so this is the graph. Okay, so this can also be automated, and the title should automatically mention the name of the user. So the chart, instead of chart title, it will present the status of for Amjad Mahmood, right? And then the final stage is that it is going to be emailed to the registered email, right, of the registered user, right? So this will be shown in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.